Look, birdie. Buti pang birdie, oh. You cleaning finish? I told you here because this one only I make. Look how my window cleaning again. My rescuer Sumo. Inutusan ko yan. No, the key is nothing. I think tomorrow it's open mama room. It's better Sumo is here. He's cleaning the window. Pag wala si Sumo, ako ang maglinis dyan. O, tingnan nyo guys, ang mga bintana. Look, Sumo. Sumo, tell hi. Kay madam, ako na lang yan bukas. Pero dito, talagang inano ko si Sumo. Sakit ng ano ko. Sumo, be careful. Because he is here. So, that's why I tell to clean the window. I'm so tired cleaning that window. It's very much window this house. Look. And then if the raining 2 days, so that's why it's a lot of dirty the window. Look. And then the garden is there down. So Sumo is there. Be careful. When? Oh. I just watching for Sumo. Siya ang naglinis lahat ng bintana kasi ako ang nagplancha. Ang ano kaya dito? Bintana. Grabing mga bintana dito guys. Ayan o, ang laki. The water also Sumo coming there? This the other one, you not remove it. Oh. And then the sis masuk, this one she no, the light.
Remove kalas ada. Water remove dakal. Alamini fe dakal water. Bada ada tabuk, ada color jadi.
Isa ada tabuk also mas remove sa. So yeah, the base is manaw. No helping also. Ada driver. Sa wala. Grabe, pag umulan talaga, bagsak talaga dito guys. Kaya mahirap maglinis. Ayan o, yung araw. Yung araw. Kaya hirap linisan to. Sa Sumo, also there in the black one. Oh, I like this also sa.
Pero ito yung washing machine.
Kalas go was there. Dito ang sala. Karban. Let me. Yeah, Lajum houseboy 3. Let me check here. Let me check. Allah, too much also here Sumo. Must be do also here. Woo! Birdie! Nangamoy ng ano ni Kumari, luto ni Kumari guys. That is that one. Ada awar token mako paida. Mas hada tol. Drink hada Sumo. Ay, mako big. Hada drink na sulit. Mako big. Allah, Samanti, mas clean here. Oof. No. Just make brush. Just make. Dirty. Tapos ang grabe pa naman ang ano, linisan. Yung hagdanan. Pero may elevator siya. Grabe ka busy namin ngayon. See? How dirty. Kumari kalas maybe going.
Don't makeup all makeup.
Makeup. Sino flower wasabi?
Rose. So the rose stick.
Rustic. Wala di mada kumari, I don't know.
All color food.
Somo der balik somo because maybe ada window but then this one window but then like that closing you don't know. Insect. See how does Allahu Akbar. Grabe kadumi yung sala, 2 weeks more hindi naglinis. Hindi naglinis yung kasama ko. Ha? No. Mako, noisy. Now I don't know today if he will do. She will do this one. No, I have also no mud and machine always floor. I this one who room. Ay, too much dust. Always I make messy. I don't know. Huh?
3-4 days not in.
Who? I machine? No, I cleaning nicely. 4 times I make messy water. I changing 4 times. Warum? Wala. Hada no coming here salon. Hada I don't know. The sala it's very bad. Yesterday Miriam room I clean and baby room I clean. Okay. Mako kalas ni. Bad be Miriam to. I don't clean. Only Miriam room I clean. I know till I window clean.
Hello, Mary.
I am waiting you. I tell haram so mula jam I will iron too much. Sino bedsheet me finish.
But then so many thinking.
No. I'm not thinking you. Huh?
Tomorrow again.
Tomorrow again. Today what? Friday?
Hey.
No problem. Tomorrow just.
Ada pilih boleh. Number 1, number 4. Agras.
La wala.
Kulo cotton shell badan. Kulo cidra kap.
And then now. Finish?
Ada number 2, number 3 kelas.
Agmino hada number 2 and number 3 talal and.
Number 3.
Talal and Ahmad.
Talal number 2 kawas.
Talal and pawas finish. Les hada 2 and 3 mama makalas. Rabba. This one. Had a problem if going there Abdali wala. Maybe no sit there at a hot time.
I thinking Bapak saya belum kalas.
Hada baba too much big. And hada other one yani this one hada jidam sa hada pikima. Hada for home. Hada this one. Yeah.
Baba saya other side.
No. Hada now.
Di one ya.
Hada kima pisa. Hada dem when israb say. Aden feed that one. Hagmino hada. Nada, I know this one their side.
Ala di one ya. Ala di one ya kabit.
Weh.
6 room.
La wala.
Other side.
Maybe kadam. But hada only flats, huh? Only flat that house. Nothing had a second floor.
No, only single.
Mama.
Mama second. First pay.
But in when kadama? Fog.
Mama bara.
Haramalik kadama giti bara daw. Hoy, klaro yung sumo ko. Mag-sitting pretty mo na ako. Nagsikyo ako sa kay Somo. Yan o. Yan ang ano ko guys. Yung ano ba yan? Rescuer for the window. Somo, no going out. No going out. Yan, napagod kasi ako sa pagdaming plansahin, kaya I have a lot of iron. So, I told him to clean the window and I will do iron the bedsheet all. So, haram, yeah. You are so haram. So, sitting pretty muna ako, guys. You know. Sitting pretty. I will call Samantha to put something juice in the elevator. Huh? Kumari cooking the chicken menu itad. I don't like that. Ada too much oil. I will cook sisma. Si sumo. Si. Hala Samantha, wala dyan siya naglinis, guys. Tingnan mo. Ha? Dilin daw. Adilin daw. No! No cleaning Adilin here. This before I do clean, but maybe Mama looking sa and Baba. That's why I tell Mary stop this cleaning here because I clean also up. And then it's okay, Mama Mako, she can do so more here. Haram si Somo. This one Somo, it's problems, Hada? Ay, too much strong. Hada door. I open this one. I open because I look you there. See? Yala.
La, the door is sick.
I put this. Okay.
What it may be, but carbon.
Kali karban pulos pidim. Kali dim pulos pi. Look at there. So our already almost done. I have a 2 window, but there in 3rd floor is not done. So I will do that, guys, because Somo is so tired. We have a lot of work today. Huh? 3rd floor ba din, Somo? No problem, hada mama nulok. Somo. We are almost done. They have 1 and the other baby room, it's 2. Here too much windows, huh? There also black one now. Big. Patay our lajum go. Samantha tell me, kalas our go. Allah. But Baba. Oh yes. Dito na kami. Yala. Here before, I using 12 bucket. I throwing water.
Yeah, no throwing. Alin mayro may minni.
Our country now very happy. Here nothing. Just clean. Enough country.
Bell. Also don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching my video.